Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make great value iced tea. First, select your preferred tea, whether it's bags or loose leaf, ensuring it's good quality for the best flavor. Next, use fresh, cold water for brewing. This really makes a difference in the final taste. Bring the water to a boil, then pour it over your tea. Let it steep for about 3 to 5 minutes, depending on how strong you like your tea. Once your tea is brewed, it's time to think about sweetening and flavoring. If you're adding sugar or another sweetener, do it while the tea is still hot. This helps it dissolve completely and prevents a grainy texture. For a smoother sweetness, consider making a simple syrup. You can also get creative with flavors by adding fresh lemon slices, a sprig of mint, or even some berries to your pitcher. Now for the chilling and serving. It's crucial to let your brewed tea cool down to room temperature before you put it in the refrigerator. This prevents it from becoming cloudy. Once it's thoroughly chilled, grab a tall glass, fill it with ice, and pour in your delicious iced tea. For a final flourish, add a lemon wedge or a fresh mint leaf to make it look as good as it tastes. If your iced tea isn't quite right, don't worry. You can easily adjust the strength by changing how long you steep the tea or by using more or less tea. To avoid cloudy iced tea, remember to let it cool down slowly at room temperature before refrigerating. For those who love to read, check out the new Kindle Paperwhite. You can find a link to it, along with other great deals, in the description below. Enjoy your perfectly brewed iced tea.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.